The Iron Dome system has been proven to be an extremely successful technological and operational project, extremely effective, intercepting more than 80% of incoming missiles, neglecting those who are not going to hit real targets, and already intercepted more than 100 real missiles and rockets from the Gaza Strip. I would like to thank the United States administration for its generous assistance, and in particular its latest investment in Iron Dome project. The relationship between our defense establishment is extraordinary. Our ties with the United States have expanded in a range of areas, including intelligence, high-tech, and securing the qualitative military edge of Israel. The defense relationship underpins greater and wider cooperation between the two countries. It also highlights the undeniable mutual commitment that exists between Israel and America.